Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Mop. Mop. Example. Servant doing mop the floor. Brush. Brush. Example. Brush your teeth twice a day. Walk. Walk. Example. They are walking in the field. Run. Run. Example. She is running in the park. Drink. Drink. Example. Drink plenty of water. Exercise. Exercise. Example. Do exercise regularly because exercise is good for health. Read. Read. Example. Read more about this topic. Eat. Eat. Example. Eat as much as you like. Wash. Wash. Example. Washing your face twice a day can help keep your skin clean and fresh. Help. Help. Example. Please help me. Sweep. Sweep. Example. Sweep the floor. Wink. Wink. Example. She winked at him. Cross. Cross. Example. Cross the road carefully. Fight. Fight. Example. Their two brothers are fighting. Bath. Bath. Example. Do bath regularly. Cook. Cook. Example. My mom is cooking tasty food. Collect. Collect. Example. The people are collecting bottles. Pay. Pay. Slap. Slap. Watch. Watch. Cry. Cry. Think. Think. Go. Go. Buy. Buy. Fall. Fall. Shake. Shake. Blow. Blow. Thanks for watching and like this video. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.